Top 3 photo editing apps in 2022. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you top 3 photos editing app for Android and iOS. So the first app is PixArt. PixArt is one of the best editing apps. There is many options that you can use with this app and I actually use it. The second app is Snapseed. Snapseed also, I love this app for editing the colors and shadows on your photo to make it more cool. And third app, the last one is, let me see, this one is Canva. Canva is so famous and because it is so easy to use, and actually if you are a beginner in editing, you can use this one because it is so easy. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more short videos.